tips about mascara. So mascaras do tend to like flake sometimes, and sometimes when you're doing underneath the lash line, as you can see, it gets spotted underneath. So my recommendation for mascara is put it on. If it flicks or goes anywhere else, you want to let it dry. Just let it dry on your face first, whatever flakiness, because I know I have a few. And then once they're fully dry, like in 5 minutes, then I'm just gonna dust them off. Take a clean brush and just dust all the area where you saw flakiness of that mascara. When it comes to the bottom lash line, once it's fully dry, then I take this and blend out whatever mascara stuck to underneath my lashes to make it blend with the eyeshadows that I have under there already, and you'll be fine. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Remember to spread love, not hate. Mwah. Bye guys.